What's up guys, in this particular video I'm going to be showing you how to generate AI videos using Grok. I know many of you might have been looking for other alternative to still make use of Grok to generate your videos. So this particular video is for you if you are in that particular category. So in this video, as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you how to generate your videos using Grok without paying for it. So here's a sample of what we are going to be creating in this particular video.
Dad, I don't think I can do this anymore.
Then don't. We'll figure it out together, okay?
For how long, Dad? I'm really tired. I understand how you feel, son. With time, all this will pass. I will be with you soon.
So if you're ready to start generating your own AI videos using Grok, why not just get your laptop and let's start creating something together. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So what you're going to be doing is just to go to any browser of your choice and just enter this link I'm entering. I see the link I'm entering is the king.ai. So once you click on that, you now click on go and it's going to open up the site for you. So once you open up, this is what you'll be seeing. This is how the site looks like. So now it will require you to log into an account. You can see now I'm going to click on get started. Let me just accept this. I'm going to click on get started. So once I click on get started, you can see it will going to ask you to log in with Google or with Microsoft. So what I'm going to now do is just to click on Google, sign in with Google. So I'm going to just click on sign in with Google and choose the account I want to make use of, then log in to the site. So now let me just quickly just do that. So once you're logged in, it's going to bring you here. So once you've done that, it will bring you here to do the normal security. So what you just need to do is just to complete the security challenge. Now it's going to bring you down to your account. So now once you're on your account, the next thing we are going to do, remember what we are here for, is want to show you how to make use of Grok in this particular video. So now I'm going to show you how you can make use of Grok to generate your videos here. So now what I'm going to do is just so you can see it has so many models, so you can just, in case you're looking for any one image, so you can just click on it and it's going to, like, let me see, for example, I chose image to this. It's going to bring up all the whole ones that has to do with image to video, to bring all of them out. But to make the thing faster for us, what you're going to just do is just, you can search on from here, search for Grok. So once you search for Grok, it's going to come out. You can see here, it's here. So I'm going to just click on try. So once you click on try, it's going to open up on a new tab. You can see crop imagine. So now here is it. This is what we have. What I'm going to now do is to quickly I've already generated my image, the image I want to make use of, and also I've gotten my prompt already. So I believe you might have already gotten that already. So from your own end, so what I'm going to just do, you can see there will be a picture. My network is still loading, so let me just wait for it to load up. So you can see it has finished loading. So the next thing I'm going to do, you can see on this side, what you just do is just to click on remove. You're going to remove it so that you'll be able to now upload your own video, your own image you want to use. So now I'm going to now quickly just go ahead and select the image. This is the image I this ChatGPT to generates this particular image. So now I'm going to now bring in the image, allow it to load. It's loading up. So you can see the image has been uploaded. So the next thing I'm going to do is you can see it has already told me that I'm going to spending this. So just what you're going to just scroll down a little, Now on this side, you see now where we have the prompt, you're going to add in the prompt you're going to be making use of. So I will just copy this prompt. I have this somewhere, so I'll just copy it and just paste it in here. You can see this is a picture of a boy as if on call with and talking to the father on call. So that's why I said, okay, on the prompt here, he said, the young adult whispers to the dad on phone, "Dad, I don't think I can do this anymore." And so this is the prompt I just added to the stuff. So once you just select the mode you want, whether you want it to be phone, normal, I'll just leave it as default. Then on this side, the aspect ratio, I'm going to be making use of 16 by 9 since it's what I have on the image I inserted, and that's what I wanted to use. I need to use for, so that's we just select that. Now wait, now we have the quality, we have the 720p. Well, one thing you should know, if I select the 720p, you can see it's costing more. So now I'm going to now show you this. So I'm going to be using this particular one. Let me just leave it. The quality is still going to be fine. So the duration, you can increase your duration to whatever you want. You can see I increase it to 12 to 8 seconds. You can generate as long as 30 seconds of video. So but on this particular website, you can generate as long as 30 seconds of video you want to. But for this particular tutorial, I'm going to stick to 8 seconds. So I'm going to just stick to 8 seconds video. So I'm going to the video, I want it to just be 8 seconds for this particular one. So you can, after doing that, what you just need to do is just to click on run. So once you click on run, you will scroll up a little. As you scroll up a little, you will going to see the progress. You can see it's already generating the video for me. So I'll just wait for it to finish generating and I'll show you what it has produced for me. So you can see this is the video. It has created the video. So let me just play the video and see what it looks like.
Dad, I don't think I can do this anymore.
Then don't. We'll figure it out together. Okay?
It did a perfect job for me. Yeah, it actually did a perfect job. So now let's say I've done this. Now what, you can just click on this download and it start downloading. See, you can see it has downloaded the video. So now what I'm going to now do, let me say I want to work it safe. Let me say I was trying to produce a full-fledged, I'm going to still make use of this particular image since it's the same scene I want to make use of, I want to work on. So what I'm just going to now do is just to go to my prompt. Let me get another one, like let me say a continuation of this. So what I just want to show you that you can generate as much as possible. So let me just scroll down and now I'm going to update the prompt. Remember, this one was like what they said initially. I can just add all of them at once here and just increase the length of the video, but I just want to show you that you can do it separately, since you can bring in a different new picture entirely and we'll still work on it like that. So now I'm going to record this. Now I'm going to make it 8 seconds, 10 seconds, maybe 8 seconds, but you can choose to increase this. Okay, let me just, for this one, let me make it 10 seconds for this particular one. Now after doing that, I'm going to now click on the settings. Is still the same thing. I'm going to now click on run. So now once I click on run, I'll check the progress and you see that it's now creating the new one for me. So I'll just wait for it and see what is going to produce for me. So here is it. It has finished creating the video. So let me play it and see the result, what I have here.
For how long, Dad? I'm really tired. I understand how you feel, son. With time, all this will pass. I will be with you soon.
So let me just download this. So you can continue creating as much as possible, and once you get all your clips down, you can just use probably a different editor like CapCut to do your editing. In case you want to know how to get CapCut Pro for free, you have to be able to make use of all the pro features on CapCut. You can just check in the description box below. I'll be adding the link to in the description box below, or you can check this particular video showing up here. It's going to show you how you can make use of all the pro features on CapCut and still get your video downloaded without having to pay for it. So I'm going to show you, once you watch that video, is going to guide you on how to go about it. Although specifically that particular video is for those who are making use of laptop to do their editing. So if you're using your mobile, I think I will come up with something with maybe probably another different tutorial for that. So that will be all for this particular video. You can try out other features of this particular website. So but right now, for this tutorial, I just wanted to quickly just show you how to go about the whole video generation stuff. So you can see how we have been able to use Grok, even when Grok seems to be very expensive right now to get it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.